So students, we already saw about our total surface area, how to find the total surface area and how to find the lateral surface area of a cuboid. What we did was just to open the cuboid and we took the area of each of its side. These two rectangles were the same, these two rectangles were the same, and these two rectangles were the same. And we just took the area, we added it, and we got the total surface area, and then we also learned how to find the lateral surface area. Okay, now what we are going to do in this video is to study about a special type of cuboid. It's a cuboid itself. It is a cuboid itself, but a special type of cuboid where the length, the width, and the height, all three are the same. Do you see that? Length is 6, width is 6, height is 6 here. Length, width, and height all are the same. So, and what is that? This is a cube, which we have already seen. And what is the specialty of a cube? You go anywhere, you will see that it is a square. All the faces that you see is a square. This is square, square, the base is square, the top is square, everything is a square. Now, what happens when you open it? When you open it, you see that every face that you see is a square. So with that we can find the total surface area and the lateral surface area of a cube. So let us move on to that. We have a square, and we saw that when you open it we get a shape like this. Now we know that the side of this side is, if we call it L, this side also will be L because length and breadth of a square is the same. So the total area of that square will be L square, and the same with this square also. It is, the dimensions are L and L, area is L square. Here also L and L square. The same with the other three. So everything, we see that every face is having side L and the area L square. Okay, now we need to find the total surface area. So for that, let us move the squares one by one. So if I move the squares, to find the total surface area, I just add them. I add the areas of each face, that is each square, and I get the total surface area is equal to L square plus 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 L square, which is 6L square. You see that? So for a cube, the total surface area is easy, 6L square. Now, what is the lateral surface area? For that, let us just cut the base and the top. Now this is the base and this is the top. We will take them off. Now what do you see? Lateral surface area is equal to L square plus L square plus L square plus L square, that is 4L square. So you see, the formulas for a cube are a little more easier, or much more easier. Okay, now one thing that you need to observe is, in a cuboid, when we studied about the surface area of a cuboid, we saw that we could get different formulas for lateral surface area, that is LSA. It depends on what we consider the base and the top. With respect to what we consider the base and the top, the LSA formula would change. Right? The LSA, how we write it, would change. But in the square it doesn't matter. Why? Because length, breadth, height all are the same. Everything is equal to each other. Okay. So that's all for this video. See you in another one.